Okay, part C asks us what percentage of the initial mass remains after 12 days. So we have to start with our original equation here. So part C, remember m stands for the mass of the leaf at any time t. That's equal to its initial mass, m0, multiplied by e to the power of minus, and then remember to replace k with what we worked it out to be in part A. That's a quarter natural log of 3. And make sure you put that in brackets, the constant, and then just put the t outside. Okay, now, what percentage of the initial mass remains after 12 days? Well, we need to work out what mass remains after 12 days before we write it as a percentage. So we need the mass remaining. So we're going to sub in t as 12 to get the remaining mass m. So m is equal to m0, and that's e to the minus a quarter natural log of 3, and then that's being multiplied by 12. Now, you need to be careful here. This 12 is being multiplied by the coefficient of the log, not by the log. This is natural log of 3. Do not attempt to multiply the 3 by the 12. That is totally wrong. So natural log of 3 multiplied by 12 is 12 natural log of 3, not natural log of 36. Please be careful. So we're going to multiply this 12 with a quarter. So the quarter and the 12 are going to cancel to give us 3. So that's going to give us m0 e to the minus 3 natural log of 3. Okay. Now I know we don't know what m0 is, but this whole expression here is the mass that remains after 12 days. We're now going to write the mass that remains after 12 days as a percentage of the initial mass. So the percentage which remains. So we're going to put the amount that remains over the original amount, which was m0. That's what the mass of the leaf was originally. So we put the remaining over the original and then multiplied by 100. Now, even though we don't know what m0 is, we can still get a numerical value because m0s will cancel. So we're just going to be left with e to the minus 3 natural log of 3 multiplied by 100. So let's go to calculator. So shift and then natural log button brings up e, and then type in minus 3 natural log of 3. And then scroll to the right and then multiply by 100. And hit SD, that's going to give us 3.7037. And that is the percentage that remains. So our answer there is 3.70%. And that's to 3 SF. So that is the percentage which remains after 12 days.